Welcome, today I've heard of me OPPO Reno 5Z and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel here, and now if you want to add here some features or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon, and after that we can see here our notification panel shortcuts, the visible ones, and this is the down section with invisible icons and features. So just if you want to add here more icons, you should just hold the icon and after that drag it here to this up section by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to just remove some of the icons or features from here, you just by the same way hold it and after that drag it here to this down section. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to just change the icons positions, you just should hold it and drag it by this way. And to save all the changes, you should click here to this or to the back button, and now we can see here that we just successfully changed notification panel shortcuts here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.